Welcome to Topic 4, Lesson 2, Adding a Complex Bay Window Recess. Open the file Soldridge Manor 6 Rooms and save the file with today's date. The focus of this lesson is the addition of a complex bay window to the dining room, involving the use of 2 recesses. For additional information and explanations on selecting vertices, starting the Add Recess tool and the options available, refer to Topic 4, Lesson 1. Pan and zoom if required. Place the cursor in the room and next to the wall and vertex you wish to add the recess to and from. In this case, the dining room. Select Symbol, Add Recess. The keyboard shortcut is Ctrl-E to open the recess pane. Adding the first recess. Enter 1.257 as P, the offset from the vertex to the start of the recess. Enter 6.650 as L, the size of the recess measured from the placement point to the end of the symbol. Enter 5.766 as IL, the internal dimension of the recess, parallel to the selected wall. Enter 0.667 as S, the side dimension of the recess, perpendicular to the selected wall. Enter 0.423 as O, the offset. Offsets are used for recesses that are not square or rectangular, such as the majority of bay windows. This is a perpendicular offset of the recess from the selected wall. If the first wall of the recess is not perpendicular to the main wall, this should be left as 0, as recesses can be added to recesses to build up quite complex shapes. It only becomes active when the value for the IL is less than the value for the L. Select the Out Radio button to indicate the recess is external to the measured room. This is a bay window whose height is the same as the ceiling of the main room. Leave the ceiling line checkbox unchecked. Select the Add button. If anything is incorrect, select the Undo button. Make the changes and select Add. Adding the second recess. Next, add another recess to the one just created. Ensure the correct line and vertex are selected. Enter 0 as P, the offset from the vertex to the start of the recess. Enter 5.750 as L, the size of the recess measured from the placement point to the end of the symbol. Enter 4.502 as IL, the internal dimension of the recess, parallel to the selected wall. Enter 0.667 as S, the side dimension of the recess, perpendicular to the selected wall. In this instance, it is retained from the recess previously entered. Enter 0 as O, as there is no perpendicular offset of the recess from the selected wall. All other settings are as the previously added recess, out, and leave the ceiling line checkbox unchecked. Select the Add button. If anything is incorrect, select the Undo button, make the changes and select Add. Either close the recess pane or escape to exit from adding a recess. If required, zoom extents and save the file.